Okay, so this will be the simple moving average example, which we have here a data set from 2021 up until 2025 year. Now, our goal is to forecast the 2026 up until 2030, given that we're having 5-day moving average. So your 2026 then, that will be calculated you with the from your data points from 2021 up until 2025. So that means to say 50 plus 120 plus 200 plus 290 plus 350 over 5 as your moving average. So you will need to calculate that one by one. So 200 plus 290 plus 350. So that is 1010 over 5. So that is equals to 202. So that is how you will identify the 2026. So that is super basic. Now, what about 2027? Since that is switching, as we have mentioned, that you have to switch the new data set. So 2021 will be removed. So automatically 120, 200 plus 290 plus 350 plus 202 over 5. Sorry. So that will become 120 plus 200 plus 290 plus 350 plus 202. So that is equals to 1162 over 5. That is 232.4. That's how you will deal with that. What about for 2027, 28? So that is 200 plus 290 plus 350 plus 202 plus 232.4 divided by 5. That is calculating plus 350 plus 202 plus 232.4. So that is 1,274.4 divided by 5. That is 254.88. So always know that you will need to round it off into 2 decimal points as always. For 2029, that will become 290 plus 350 plus 202 plus 232.4 plus 254.88 divided by into 5. And definitely 290 plus 350 plus 202 plus 232.4 plus 254.88. That is 1,329.20 divided by 5. So definitely 265.86. And for 2030, that is 350 plus 202 plus 232.4 plus 254.88 plus 265 0.86 divided by 5. So that will become 350 plus 202 plus 232.4 plus 254.88 plus 265.86. That is 753. Are you sure with that? No, that's not correct. Let me recalculate that one. That is not right. 2, so 350 plus 202 plus 232.4 plus 254.88 plus 265.86. So that is 1,305.14 divided by 5. That is 261.03. So those are the data that you have. If you will be going to graph that, by the way, if you will be going to graph the this data that you do have, for example, you have here, this is your historical data, 50 here, 2021, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 30. And now 50, for example, 50, then 120, then 200, then 290, then 350. So it is linear. Those are the data set that you have. But 2026, that is 202. So 2026 is something like here. In 2027, that is 232. It must be here. And 254 must be here. And 265 must be here. And 261 is must be here. So they are linear still. That is how you will deal with it accordingly. So that is really basic for you to manage that one. I know that you could definitely understand. I mean, easily work on with that. So thank you so much. And I do hope that you were able to to understand everything. How does it work? Because that is really basic.